Venn diagram, sir. Now you are recording us for this.
Once again,
Yes.
I think no need. Okay, we'll see again.
Yes, sir, no need.
So Venn diagram is a set of same kind of elements represented by a circle, but logical Venn diagram can be in any shape. So it can be a triangle or ellipse or rectangle or circle, anything. And logical Venn diagrams are of two types. Questions are of two types: of problems without numbers and problems with numbers. So generally problems without numbers questions are depending upon general knowledge. General knowledge based questions will be there. Problems without numbers. So problems with the numbers, some logics will include set logics. Set theory is there, no? Sets logic will be there, like union, intersection, that type of. Okay, the point is same. For problems without numbers, generally questions are based on general knowledge. Suppose how general knowledge based questions will be available. See, I'm giving two words. You have to identify the Venn diagram for that. I'm giving two words. The two words are woman, mother. Women and mothers. Tell me, what will be the Venn diagram for these two? So while drawing the Venn diagram or while identifying the Venn diagram, it is better to question yourself these questions in this order. So these are the I think, yeah, 4 questions. Sorry, 4 or 3 questions in this order only, in this priority order only. So first question is we have to question yourself whether all is there or not there. All is there or not there. Tell me, all women are mothers?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Sir, no, sir. Only one woman is not.
No. All women are mothers is yes or no? Just
No,
tell me.
sir. No.
No. All women are mothers. No.
All
Okay.
mothers are women.
Yeah. Just wait. I have checked all women are mothers, yes or no. So it is failed. Then after all, what we need to check?
Mothers, all mothers are women.
Actually some, right? So if all fails, some will be there. So some women are mothers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so some women are mothers. That's why this is the diagram. Yes or no? Correct diagram?
Yes, sir.
Is it the correct diagram? Some women are mothers.
Yes, sir.
All of you. Some women are mothers. Correct diagram?
No, sir. I don't think so.
No, sir. It
Yeah,
should
what
be
is the problem with
women
Women
this?
should be
outside,
outside
mothers
and
inside.
inside should be mother. Woman should be
Yeah,
outside and mothers should be
All
inside.
mothers are women, but not all women are mothers.
Yes, very good. So there is a problem in this diagram. What is the problem means? In woman point of view, it is okay. Some women are mothers because all women are not mothers. But mother point of view, sir, this part of mothers are women. What about remaining part of mothers? They are not women. They are also
They are
women, correct?
women. Yes, sir.
So that's why this is the wrong diagram. Means after checking all, we should not go to some. We have to verify one more thing. What is that thing? Again, we have to verify all only, but it is in the reverse direction. So if all is not suitable in forward direction, we have to check the same all in reverse direction also. Yes or no? Now tell me, all mothers are women, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes.
correct.
So means the checking order is first all in the forward direction. If it is not suitable, then we have to check the same all in the reverse direction. Suppose if this is also fail, suppose I'll give another set. For this set, the diagram is all mothers are women. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the correct diagram. I'm giving another set. Boys and girls. Tell me. So we'll check in the order only. First is all. So tell me, all boys are girls?
No, sir.
No. So no means first one fail. Then we have to check the second. Check the same in the reverse order. All girls are boys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No means that is also fail. Then we need to check which point. Which one we have to question
Some.
ourselves?
Some.
Yes, now we have to check some. Now tell me, some boys are women? Sorry. Some boys are girls?
No, sir.
No. So
No, sir.
some is fail in one direction. we have to check in another direction or no need to check?
We
No
will
need to check, sir.
Yes,
No need
very
to
good.
check,
No
sir.
need to check, because in case of sum, if some A's or B's is there, means compulsory some B's will be A's.
yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that's why no need to check sum in the reverse direction. So sum is also failed. Then we have to check which point. The remaining is only one. What is that?
No.
No. Yes. Now tell me, no boy is girl. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No
Yes.
boys is
So we
girl,
have
no
to
girl
check.
is boys.
Yeah. That's automatic. Yes or no? So no boy is a girl means suppose this is boy and this is girl. There is no intersection between boy and girl means. So in this direction also no boy is girl. In this direction also it will be same. No girl is boy. So the diagram is this one, not this one for this. So this is the checking order while drawing the diagram or while identifying the diagram. So all these points are written here. See. Yes or no? While drawing the diagram or identifying the diagram, it is better to question ourselves the below questions in the below order only. So in the same order, we have to question ourselves. So what is the first question? We have to check all.
All.
So whether all A's or B's is there or not there. Suppose if it is not available, then we have to check the same all in the reverse direction. Means
Reverse
that means we have to check. Sorry, this is reversed. All B's are yes or not. That point we need to check. All B's are yes. And if this is also failed, then we have to check some A's are B's. So if this is okay, then no need to check some B's are yes, because that is also okay. If this is fail also, we don't need to check some B's are yes, because that will be fail compulsory. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So we will go in last.
And finally we have to check
No.
no A is B. So here also the same. If no A is B true, then no need to check no B is A, because that will be true. And if no A is B fail also, no need to check no B is A, because that will be fail. Okay. So follow this
Sir.
order and try to answer the given question.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell
Sir,
me.
here we have done that if no A is B, so we will not do again B. No B is A. So
Then there will be no relation, right?
yeah. So
Yeah.
in first question.
You just check any two words in this universe, any two words. You take any two words or any two things, compulsory any one of the relation exists.
So my doubt is all we cannot, if we check all A's are B's, so we will means we don't have to check all B's are A, right? Or we have to check.
Okay, if we have checked all A's or B's, if this is true, we don't need to check B to A. If this is not true, we have to check B to A also.
Should we check for no also? Like reverse?
Once these three failed, then no need to check. Compulsory, it should satisfy.
No, sir, what I'm telling is once we have checked for no, then should we check for reverse also? No reverse.
No need to check reverse, because so from B to A to B it is no, means B to A also it will be no only.
Sir, I'm not understanding, sir. This play without number. Playing with a number. This diagram without number.
Okay, you will able to understand. Okay, no issue. Just think about these words and what will be the diagram for these two words, like this. Otherwise, I'll give separate words. See, I'm giving two words like teachers and mothers. Tell me, what can be the diagram for this? First of all, we have to check.
Some.
Tell me. First question is,
All teachers are mothers.
All teachers are
all teachers are mothers. True or not true?
not
False.
true.
False.
That's why we are going to the
False.
second question. What is the second
All
question?
mothers are
All
teachers.
mothers are teacher. False.
In the reverse direction. All mothers are
False.
teachers. True or not true?
False.
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 We will go for some.
Teachers are
Yes, correct. Some teachers are
Some
mothers.
teachers
True.
are mother. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Yes,
some
sir. Some
mothers
teachers are
are
mothers.
teacher. And some mothers are teacher.
Means no need to go for fourth question. Here
Yes,
only
sir.
we can stop. And our diagram for this this one. So some teachers are mothers.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood very
Understood, sir.
clear.
Very clear, sir.
Yes. Okay, let us do some questions. you can clarify all your doubts. Generally, he will not give in the exam. He will not give these many words. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just for our practice. He will give maximum of 3 to 4 words. That's all. Maximum he will give 3 only, not 4 also in the exams generally. But for our practice purpose, I have given these many words. So what can be the diagram for this? Men, women, mothers, brothers.
Sir,
women,
here
and-
all are humans only. no?
All
So-
are humans, sir.
Okay, all are humans, sir.
So there should be a first beat circle.
Yes,
Hmm.
Sir, and all
Start.
mothers are women.
No,
Okay,
no,
all mothers
all-
are women.
yes.
Okay, next.
All
then
brothers are
all
men.
men are brothers.
All brothers
All-
are men. All
yeah,
men
tell
All
are
me.
We
brothers
can
are men.
start
All
with men
men. All
and
brothers are men. All
Very,
brothers
All
are
very
men.
good.
brothers are
Very
men.
good. All brothers are men, not all men are
Men
brothers.
are brothers. Yes, sir.
Okay, see here
Sir,
one more
one
thing.
thing, sir.
Tell.
So
Tell.
instead of going from like from inside to outside, we can go from outside to inside in this case, sir. Will be better.
You wish. That is of your wish. You can write it on your in your notes. You can write it in any way. Inside to outside means what? Okay. So first draw human beings, then draw this thing, then draw this thing. Right? This is what you are telling.
Yes, sir.
It will
Okay.
become consistent, right?
So finally, we should get the final diagram. That's all. You may go inside to outside or outside to inside. No issue.
Yes, sir. And then, sir, we should draw a circle in between both of them. Teachers.
Brother, and this is
Yes, sir.
Man.
man. Okay. Then
Then a circle in between both of them. Some part.
which
For
circle?
teachers,
which?
sir. Teachers.
Teachers. Tell me what
Teachers.
will be the circle for this? This is the one teachers, correct?
Maybe they are.
No,
they are
sir, it
men
should
No,
and-
sir. It should
Cut
connect
both of
both
them.
of them.
Yes, sir.
Men
It
Because
should
and
connect
women.
both
Both
of
of
them.
them.
Means this is the teacher,
teachers are
correct?
men and
Yes,
teachers
sir.
can be
Correct,
mother
sir?
also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Think again, correct?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. It should be like
Sir,
the men and women, like when they're coming to close each other, the space between men and women is teachers, like that.
Okay, this is okay somewhat. Some women are teachers and some men are
men, sir.
teachers. That is okay. No teacher is a mother.
Okay. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, means it should connect to these this one also, mothers also. And no teacher is a brother.
Yes, sir.
Means it should
Yes,
connect
sir.
all of them. It is having intersection with all, but it is having only some portion of intersection.
Yes, sir.
Teachers. So this is teachers. You may intersect with any portion. That's okay. This is
And then one complete circle for human, covering all of them.
yes. All these things comes under teacher. Sorry,
Human.
human beings. So here in this diagram, I have mentioned the names. So this is mother, this is woman, brother, man, and teacher, and humans. So here, no need to mention the names. No need to give the notation like T, H, brother, man. Okay, simply drawing the diagram is enough. This is the diagram. So this is the diagram. That's enough. Okay. Next
Yes.
next diagram onwards. This is enough
So it's like
because in
a
the
Yeah,
house.
exam
just
he will not mention.
Example, give only three words.
Sir,
sorry?
it is looking like a owl.
Next question, can you give three only, sir?
This type of questions
papers.
only. This type of questions only. He will
Ah.
not give these many words. He will give only 3 words, maximum 4
Okay,
words.
sir. You also give one. You also give some 3 to 4. Some
Sir,
questions. Some
this-
questions.
Sir,
3 to
this
4 means you
diagram-
can separate 3 words, and from this diagram you can
Yes,
separate.
sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir. But can you give some questions after?
Okay, let us see those questions also. Somebody asking something.
No, sir. I was just saying that the diagram was looking like an owl.
Okay, looking like okay. Next set is ready. Tables, furniture, pens, chair, and stationery.
All of
Sir, all pens are stationary.
So because there are many words, if there are only 3 words, 1, 2, 3, only 3 words are there, suppose. So first these 2, check all. If it is not true, all in the reverse direction. If it is not true, then some. If it is also not true, compulsory no will be true. So for between these 2, relation is over. Then check the first word with the third word. Same, all in the reverse, some, and no. And if that is also okay, then check these 2 words, the same relations. If there are 3 words, that is okay. But here many words are given. That's why Directly also you can say.
So like here we get two circles, sir.
So for what
Like,
and what?
one stationary
Tables
and another
and
furniture. One
What is
One
the
is for
relation between
furniture.
stationery and furniture?
Yes, sir. Chairs and table are furniture.
table of furniture and pen and stationery.
No. What is the relation between furniture and stationery?
No relation.
Yeah, no relation. No stationery is a furniture or no furniture is a stationery.
The stationery.
That's why two separate circles. Okay. Then tables comes under
Right.
which?
Sir, inside
Furniture. Furnitures and
Yeah, all tables are furniture. Yes. Then all pens
stationery.
stationary.
are stationery. Then all chairs are
Furniture.
furniture. That's all. That's the diagram. Okay. Right. One more question. Your favorite food items? Potato, apple, fruits, vegetable, food, carrot, milk. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there.
So all of these come under food.
Food. And then
Sir,
this food is divided into fruits,
Commoner food,
vegetables.
sir. Fruits, sir.
Okay, we'll separate
Fruits
food.
are
We'll place it last. Okay.
Yes, sir. Apple and apple is fruit, sir. Potato and carrot is vegetable.
Apple
And
and
then milk is
apple and
Carrot.
yeah, carrot is a fruit.
Sir,
and
sir,
is a vegetable.
sir, apple is fruit, sir. Potato and carrot are vegetables.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then
Apple
milk is
is a
different
fruit.
Yes,
Then
sir.
potato and carrot. What is the relation
Carrot.
between potato and carrot?
Both are vegetables.
Both are vegetables.
There is no relation between them. That is, vegetable is another word. Between these two, no relation. No
Yes, sir.
intersection.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is vegetable. Okay. Then what about milk?
Milk is
Then
separate.
one separate circle, sir. One
Milk
separate
is
circle.
in between.
One separate circle for milk.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Then
I have doubt, sir. How
And
to
then
do
one
this,
complete coverage all of them.
Sir, how to find this means how to do how you got this diagram, sir? How to do this? I'm not understanding this Venn diagram. How you got this? Means I understand the procedure, sir. So how to draw this? This how you got that circle? How to...
so this you as you said, all apples are fruits.
Yes, sir. I
Complete
understand.
apple circle is inside fruit circle or not?
Okay, like that. Okay.
Okay. And complete of potato and complete carrot are inside a vegetable circle. This is a vegetable circle.
Sir, only circles are or
That's
any
all.
triangles?
All potato means there are 7 words means there should be 7 circles. For this one circle, second circle, third circle. And what is the relation between these two circles you are representing here?
Yes, sir. I understand. Means only circles you should draw triangles. Eclipse also you can draw.
Later you can use triangles and any other also.
Okay.
Suppose in
Okay,
the
sir.
options, suppose you are given like this, a triangle like this, and another triangle like this, and another triangle like this.
Okay.
Okay. In that case, you have to select according to the options. Sometimes you may mention like ellipse also. So here some ellipse ellipse also available. This is an ellipse and it's a circle. Okay. That's all. Any word is remaining. And that's all. Okay. Suppose if any word is an extra word is given like tomato. Tell me.
Vegetable.
Sir,
Tomato is a fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
sir, somewhere in the between, I guess.
Sorry.
Between.
Sir, it's in between, sir.
Between means?
Hey, it is not fruit, it is only vegetable, right?
Vegetable only.
Yeah.
Sir,
No,
fruits
no.
have seeds, sir. Sir,
Tomato
fruits
is a
have
fruit.
seeds. Tomato has seeds. Fruits
Tomato
have
is a
seeds.
fruit.
Tomato have seeds. Yes, sir. Tomato is a fruit.
Tomato is a fruit, not vegetable.
Hey, how?
That's why I mentioned in the
seeds.
beginning only. These questions are depending upon general knowledge. Okay.
They have seeds. That's why they're fruits.
And Shreyan confused with carrot. Yes or no?
Sir, I mean,
He thought
fruit has
initially he thought it is a fruit.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Next, see. Try to identify the diagram for this. Educated, employed, uneducated, unemployed.
Sir, this all will come.
You can draw the diagram and you can show me.
Sure.
Yeah, you with your camera.
Okay, sir. Educated. Okay.
educated, employed, uneducated, and unemployed.
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Fast. Not only Shreyan, I'm asking all of you.
I did wrong,
Yes, sir.
sir. In educated, uneducated.
Can you see?
No, unable to see. Kazi.
The tab is single.
Sir, you can see, sir, mine.
But that's a round diagram.
Sir, can you see
Yes.
mine? This is wrong.
Uh,
Educated or
also
uneducated?
wrong diagram. Yeah,
Sir,
wrong
my-
diagram.
Sir, my
Oh, sir. We cannot see it. Sir, these are very confused, sir. Educated and employed, how we can see, sir? How it will come, sir?
Okay, just okay.
1 minute, I'm just showing it.
Sir, can you
No, Kavya.
like some uneducated are employed?
Piyush, it is not visible. Okay.
Sir, problems without number only, like this it will be, means with numbers, how it will be? We cannot.
With numbers are easy. Without
With
numbers,
numbers.
actually there is no, there is nothing here in these questions.
Sir,
Just
means,
general
no,
knowledge.
sir, it is easy only, sir. But means, under which it will
You
come,
need
sir?
to know the
Educated
relation
and
between the given words. That's all.
yes, sir. Educated and uneducated will come both, sir.
Just tell
Employed
me.
and unemployed.
So two separate circles for educated and uneducated,
and
and
then,
then in between unemployed and employed.
Uneducated and no uneducated is educated. So, and what is the relation between employed and unemployed?
Means employed means
Like
he will
some
work nice,
uneducated and
unemployed.
No,
employed,
no
right?
relation, sir.
some are
So
So it
educated
should come in
employed
between
and
employed
some
and
are
unemployed.
uneducated employed.
Yes, some are uneducated and employed. Like this
Okay.
laborers.
Some uneducated are
Employed.
employed. Okay.
Like this is a laborers, plumber, electrician, etc.
The same thing will be with the employed also. Some uneducated are employed also. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. So, sir, it will come in whole like one big circle, and in
Without
that it-
without education also there will be employment. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Mm. So just see, there is no relation between these two words, and there is no relation between these two words. These two are separate circles, and these two are separate circles. Now
So
see.
all four.
Yes, sir. In between educated and uneducated, employed and unemployed should be there.
Yes. So finally, I think
Come
this
on,
is the
start
diagram. There is no relation between educated and uneducated, but some educated are employed and some educated are unemployed. Sorry, suppose if this is the employed circle, some employed are educated and some educated, sorry, yeah, some employed are uneducated. In the same way, this one,
Sir, like this also you can run.
educated,
Sir, it is very confusing, sir.
uneducated, employed, unemployed.
Yes,
Unemployed.
understood.
Yes. So
Sir,
some
understood, sir, but this type of questions will come in your exam.
some employed are educated, some employed are uneducated. In the same way, some unemployed are educated and some unemployed are uneducated. There is no relation between these two, and there is no relation between these two also. Okay. Let us move on to how many questions are there?
One shot that exam.
Three more questions.
Sir, one shot.
This is very
Second.
tough
Yes,
question.
hours, weeks, days. Sir, really tough, sir. In which
Sir,
year
very
will
easy,
come,
sir.
sir?
From where we'll start?
So year will become whole because in year
From
second
seconds we'll
and
start.
Yes, so from
Uh,
seconds, then year, hours, then weeks, then days,
Sir, you
then
have
weeks
to
and
draw
years.
like
Yes, very
to
good.
draw
All
consecutive
seconds comes under
Or
hours. All hours,
weeks,
days,
oh,
days.
I read
All
correctly,
days
sir.
are
weeks,
weeks.
Weeks.
All
it's a
weeks are
years.
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 years. So that's all.
Sir, I did correctly, sir. Means I'm thinking and thinking.
That's why I
One
mentioned.
question, if they're not
It's a very tough
overlapping,
question.
sir, if they're not overlapping, that means that they're not having any relation, right?
Yes. So if there is no overlapping like this, there is no relation. Means if there are two separate circles, there is no relation.
Some in
Then
seconds also.
then how will we have relation between all of these?
So all seconds, combining all seconds will get minutes. Combining all minutes will get hours. Combining all hours, days.
So it's
Like-
not necessary in this case for intersection.
Yeah, intersection is there already. Complete, this is complete overlapping, yes or no?
Because
This is
outside
partial
here,
overlapping,
outside-
but this is
Oh.
complete overlapping.
Oh, okay, sir, I understood.
Okay, only some seconds are minutes, sir? No, all seconds are minutes, correct?
Yes, sir, I understood.
That's why this is the diagram.
Okay.
And
Sir,
one more thing here is all these circles may be or may not be concentric. Yes, yes or no? So
Yes.
diagrams can be like this also. This one and this one. In this way also we can draw.
sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, if we use a lot of seconds, like lot of seconds make a day as well, right? They make days as well if we consider a lot of seconds.
Yes, yes.
So won't there be relation between seconds and days as well? It's like lots of seconds.
There
will
is
count
already
days.
relation. See, all A's are B's, suppose it is. All A's are B's, yes or no? In this
Yes.
diagram. And all B's are C's. If this is the case, so is it not correct? All A's are C's?
Yes, sir, yes. Got
That's
it,
all.
sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Automatically
one
they
doubt,
will-
sir.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, one doubt. Sir, you told your seconds here, this I understood, sir. If they give hours as 60 minutes, sir, means we should do another circular, like this only we should do.
Sorry?
Sir, means hours they give, means in this question only, if they give weeks, behalf of weeks, they give 7 days, sir. If we think like that. So
Okay.
we should draw another circular, sir, for days after
Yes.
another circular.
In place of weeks, if he has given 7 days means so out of 7 days, a day is one of 7 days. So this will be
Okay.
7 days. Outside circle, inside will be 1 day.
Okay.
Okay.
We should draw another circle before we are up.
Remember one thing, there should be a circle for every word. There should be a circle for every word, and we have to represent the relation between them. So that's why the Venn diagrams are also called in another. What is the other definition of Venn diagrams is graphical representation of given information, pictorial representation of given information. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is another definition for same Venn diagrams. Okay, make it fast. We'll move on to number type. America, India, Asia, Australia, and China.
Sir, all are different. India and Asia.
Tell.
India and Asia are, I think,
Inside
and
Asia,
Asia?
there's India.
Asia will,
China,
Asia will
India,
come from
America.
India,
India and
sir.
China are in Asia. American, Australia,
India,
is
China,
in-
Asia will be, sir.
Australia. is-
America, Australia, one more circle.
Okay, okay. One more circle or two more circles?
2 more circles.
Okay. What about relation between India and China?
They both are in Asia. There is
Sir,
no relation between them.
They both are in Asia and beside us,
Sir,
sir.
here,
Our borders.
No, no,
Yeah.
no.
They are
Don't involve the third. Okay.
on basis of
When
two
I
different
asked
ways, right?
relation between two words, try to tell the relation between them with these words only. All, some, no. That's all. What is the relation between India and Asia?
Yeah, Asia.
Don't
No
involve
relation,
the third
sir.
word.
There is no relation.
No
Yeah,
relation.
So two separate countries. So India and
Yeah,
Asia, but these two countries are in sorry,
Asia.
India and China. These two countries are in
Asia.
Okay. And
Asia.
what about Australia?
No, Australia.
different continents.
Australia.
Separate
continents.
Why
And
not?
In America
of
also
Australia.
separate.
Separate
Yes, sir.
circle.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Separate circle.
Yeah, Piyush, tell.
Sir, here we can take America, Asia, and Australia, and
Hmm.
then India and China different. Like, can we use the starting letter like that also? If we can do relations.
Starting letter means
So, like America, Asia, and Australia, they start with A, whereas India and China like that.
no. These questions are based on general knowledge. In general knowledge, you will not use logic, sir.
Oh, okay, sir.
Suppose arrange these words in alphabetical order or arrange these words according to dictionary. If that is the question, we have to think of the letters. Okay, right. Next. And I think this is the last but one. Earth, stars, moon, universe, planets, and sun.
All of them are universe.
All of them are universe. Okay, keep it aside and we'll
Then
keep
again
place it last.
then again two stars and planet. Again two circles, stars and
And-
planet.
Earth and moon.
And under stars we have sun, and on the planets we have Earth. And
Yes,
then moon
correct.
is
And
separate.
on Earth
And
it
moon is
is moon.
completely separate.
Correct.
No.
Very good. Excellent. Stars and planets. What is the relation?
No relation, sir.
No relation, sir.
So stars and planets. What about Earth? Earth is a star.
Earth in planets.
Half in planets.
Earth is in planet. And what about Sun?
In stars.
In
Sun
stars.
is a star. What about Moon?
Moon also
It's
is,
nothing, sir. Neither,
Nothing, sir. Separate.
neither planet nor star.
Yes, Moon is not a planet and not a star, not an Earth, not a
Yes,
sun,
yes,
not a
yes.
sun also. That's why I'm taking separate.
Universe total.
And universe is
Yes,
complete.
all of these are in universe.
Yes, sir. Sir, these questions are very influential.
Okay, next and last question.
Indians, doctors, vegetarians, all good. Sir, this
Indians, doctors, vegetarians, and alcoholics.
Sir, all three
Sir,
of them
all
have
three of them
all
belong
three
to
of them
Indians.
belongs to Indians, sir.
All three are Indians.
Sir, doctors and vegetarians have connection, and alcoholic is only connected with Indian.
Hmm?
Sir, all
Why
three of them are
Doctors
in
and
India.
vegetarians connected to Indians, sir.
Indians.
Alcoholic is only
All
India.
doctor, no doctor is alcoholic.
So
Some
I think
doctors-
alcoholic
can
can
assume
connect
anything,
all
sir.
of them.
Sir, all
Some
three of
assume
them are
anything.
connected, and then India is like
I think
all three of them are
alcoholic
Okay,
and
Indian.
you are telling like this, doctors, vegetarians, alcoholic, and all these comes under India.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There
sir.
is no
Yes.
doctor out of India.
Sir, some doctors are
No, sir.
vegetarian.
So there are
and
many
and India will be
vegetarians out
becoming
of
a part
India.
of everything.
Sir,
India will be
some doctors are
Yes,
vegetarian.
sir.
Piyush,
India can be part
got
of anything.
India will be getting a part of everything.
Yes, yes. So there are many more doctors are there out of India also. But according to this diagram, all
Yes, sir,
doctors are in
because you
India.
have given that we have to do with Indians.
sir.
If it was like
Yes.
other,
All vegetarians are in India.
Sir, we
All
can keep the
alcoholic are in
middle
India.
portion, which
So then
is
what is the
open
final
to all
diagram?
circles as Indians. Like
So like every circle will occupy some part of everything.
Very good, excellent. So every word should intersect with every other word. Every circle should intersect with every other circle with some part only, not all part. So all is fail, all compulsory will be fail, and every circle is having intersection with means no will be
Some.
fail. So means
Some.
what will be true then?
Some.
Some is true. So this is the final diagram. Indians, doctors, and this is the diagram. Yes or no? There
all
will be
these
a
are will
portion.
belongs to Indians, Salina, sir.
There will be a portion having all the four also, all the four intersect.
Okay, okay, understood.
Yes, means there is a one person. Suppose there will be one person who is an Indian as well as
One
doctor. He
person
is a
from US.
vegetarian as well as alcoholic also.
Yes, sir.
There will be not only one person. There will be some persons who are all the four parameters who will satisfy all the four. Okay, right. So for these type of questions, we should be clear with this concept. All, some, no. This concept, and along with this one we should know the relation between the words. To know the relation between the words we need some general knowledge. So without knowing general knowledge, how can you say that India and China is in Asia? Yes or no? So that thing is required, as well as
Yes, sir.
that concept, all, some, no, and some not. So now we came to problems with numbers.
Sir, in this what case will be?
Suppose this is circle A and this is circle B, and there are some numbers 5, 3, and 9. So consider the numbers in these segments represent number of persons in that region. Okay, numbers represent number of persons in that region. Now tell me for these questions, answer these questions.
5 and 3, sir.
Number of A's are
5 and 3.
5 and 3.
5 and 3.
yes, very good. 5 plus 3.
Only A's are 5.
Only is 5.
Yeah.
Number of A, but not
You should
B's.
be very careful with this word. Already we told this important. We told this word's importance in the last class also. Yes or no? Only.
The third one
Only
is
means
9.
whatever he has mentioned, it should be confined to that thing only. So every other should not be. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
only is mentioned, how to say this? Whatever is mentioned for only, it should be confined to that thing only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Only
Other
one.
than that, everything should not be considered.
Sir, and what's the relation we are finding here, sir, between A and B?
No.
Numbers.
We are not finding any relation. Here he had given the diagram, and based on this diagram, he is asking some questions.
The
Okay.
third one will be
For this
9.
diagram, you have to answer the questions. Only A's are, only
Five.
A's means B should not be there. Only A's
Yes.
are 5. Very good. Number of A's but not B's.
9. But not B's.
5.
5, yes.
Yes,
5.
and these two questions are same or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Number
Yeah,
of
in this case, only A's are same as A's but not B's. Means from A's we have to subtract B's.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next
So
number of
two
A's and
Three,
B's
sir.
are
3.
3, sir.
3.
okay. Number of A's or B's?
So 5 or 9.
3, sir.
Okay,
3.
number of-
3.
Sir,
Three.
is it 8 or 12?
Number
No.
of either A's or either A's or B's.
Sir,
Three.
either is
3. 3.
Okay, I'm writing here your answers. For this question, answer is 3.
8
Okay,
or
second
12, I
question,
guess.
this one.
so that
Suppose
will
1,
not
2, 3.
show.
Second question answer is
Sir, I think 3, sir.
this one also 3. Okay, 4.
3.
Sorry, third.
Number of either. 3.
3 only.
Yeah,
All the
yes.
3 questions, answer is 3 only.
No,
Sir,
sir.
don't know.
One
confirm.
doubt. So if we count at A, then we can say 8, right? Because 5 plus 3. Can we say like that?
Sorry, what is your doubt?
We count 3 into A first, then will be 8. If we count to B, there will be 12. Is it like, can we say like that, sir?
Yeah, if you count individually, if you count A, we have to say it is 5 plus 3. If you
Yes.
count individually B, we have to say it is 3 plus 9.
Yes.
So here, suppose if it is only A, it will be 5 only. If it is only B, it will be
9 only.
3. No, 9 only. So
Yes.
we have to separate, we have to subtract A from B. Then it will be 9.
Yes.
Okay, tell, what about these 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, here set theory comes into picture. And there are 3 words like and, or, and either or. Yes, and, or, and either or. Okay, so in set theory and, there are 2 parameters, and intersection and union. What will be and here? Intersection or union? And means
Union.
Yeah, both.
Intersection.
Intersection.
intersection. And means intersection. Or means
Union.
union. Then what about either or?
Union.
Okay, to give that clarity, I'm
Union.
using- one second. Okay, let me
So
do
what is
one.
the difference between union and intersection?
Okay, I'll clarify all those things. Just a second.
Union is all, right?
This is A and B. A and B. If you are clear with this, then we can move fast later. In first case, A and B. Nothing but A intersection B. Okay. A or B means this is A union B. Now tell me, what portion of A and B, A intersection B, can I shade?
Some portion.
Yeah, this is the portion. Yes or no? A intersection B is this one, green color shading. All I use red color. Is it okay? This portion is A intersection B. Next, what about A or B or A union B? Which portion I need to shade?
A other say and B other say, right?
A or B means this one and this one.
A should be different and B should be different.
Okay, then what about this one? Either A or B. Which portion I need to shade now? You forgot this union. I think
I didn't understand the concept.
Complete portion. Okay, union means complete
The
portion,
complete
all the
portion,
numbers.
we have to give it as 17. 5 plus 3
Hmm.
plus 9.
Yes, it is 17. Means or is 17.
Okay.
Now, what about either or? Just think and tell.
Sir, 8 or 12.
Yeah,
Yes,
listen to
sir.
me carefully, all
5
of you.
plus 3 or 9 plus 3 we can take.
Oh, okay. Listen to me carefully. 1 second. If you take any one element, any one element, it should be belong to both in case of A and B. It should be belong to either A or B or both also in case of R. And if we take any one element, it should be either belong to A or belong to B, but not both. Okay, both is allowed in case of R, but both is not allowed in case of either R. Clear? Both is also allowed in case of R, but both is not allowed in case of either R. It should be either belong to A or belong to B, but not both.
Yes.
All of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Understood
sir.
this point?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Anybody tell what can I write here?
5 or 3.
No. With
Oh, sorry,
not
5
with
or-
numbers like this. Like this. What can I write here in this box?
The slash B.
Compare these three diagrams. Can I say it is union minus intersection?
Yes, sir. We can do that.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
from
sir.
this
Yes,
union,
sir.
we are subtracting the intersection part. It will give either or. And for these diagrams and for all these things, just I'm giving a statement shortcut form. Statements. See, if it is and, only common numbers we have to consider. Only common numbers we have to consider. If it is or, we have to take all the numbers. We have to take all the numbers, but only once. Because 3 is available in the common portion, you should not consider this number 3 twice. So means 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 9. This is a wrong correct answer or wrong answer for R?
Sir, wrong.
Wrong, because we have considered the same number twice. So that's why. So we have to consider all the numbers only once. That's the shortcut for R. And for either or, the shortcut is A without B and B without A. Yes or no? A without B and B without A. So these are the three shortcut points. If you are clear with this, we'll move on to the questions. Clear? All
Yes,
of you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
answer
Yes,
these
sir.
three questions. 1, 2, 3.
Sir,
Number of A's and B's are
17.
3.
no. And it is intersection 3. Only common
yes,
number.
sir.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Next, number of A's or B's.
17.
17. 17.
All the numbers once. All the numbers once means 5 plus 3 plus 9.
17.
Number of either A's or B's. A's
14.
without B's are
14.
5. And B's without A's
5.
Plus 4 plus 9.
9. That's all. 5 plus
14.
9. 14. Okay.
Got it,
Then
sir.
answer this. Here is the diagram. And every time we should move from top and bottom. Okay. Let us do one thing. Here
can
we'll draw
zoom
the
in.
diagram. In this empty space, we'll draw the diagram. Circle, triangle, and square. Circle, triangle, and square is this. Okay. We'll write the numbers also. 1, 2, 6, 5, 7. 1, 2, 6, 5, then 7. And lastly, 3, 4. This is 3 and 4. Is it visible? Diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
it's
Yes,
visible.
sir.
And we'll write the names also: vegetarians, doctors, and Indians. So triangle is vegetarian, circle is doctors. This is vegetarian, circle is doctors, and this one is
Indian.
Indians.
Indians.
Okay, now we don't need to move anywhere. Okay, answer first question. How many Indians are there?
19.
19.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
You can say the numbers like 3 plus 4 plus, like that.
Okay, sir. 3 plus
5
4
plus 7.
plus 5 plus 7.
5 plus 7. So here he are given about numbers, but not only Indians, sir. Yes or no? He
Yes,
is
sir.
asking for Indians, but not only Indians. If he has given only, means we have to eliminate all other like doctors and vegetarians. We have to intersect. Okay, next question. How many Indian doctors are there?
6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3
6 plus 2 plus 5.
plus
Just tell
3.
me, this Indian doctors means Indians intersection doctors or Indians union doctors?
Indian Union, I mean Indian
intersection.
Union.
Yeah, intersection. This is not union. This is intersection and case.
That's
So
5 and
only
3.
5 plus 3.
5 and 3. 5 plus 3.
Only common numbers are 5 and 3. 5 plus 3.
Sir, but here is not given and.
Okay, Indian doctors, nothing but Indians and doctors. Remember like that. Indian
Okay.
doctors, nothing but Indian and doctor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next question is how many Indian vegetarian doctors are there?
5. 5.
Means all the three common is only.
5.
5.
Next, how many vegetarians are doctors but not Indians? So here do one thing. First write the common part for this. Write all the numbers for this. Vegetarian doctors are? Tell me vegetarian doctors.
2, sir. 2.
2
plus
sir.
5.
Yeah,
2
2.
plus
Actually
5,
2 plus
7.
5. So he had given not Indians means we can cancel 5. Then answer is only
2.
2.
yes. Actually it should be 2 plus 5. Because of this negation, we are removing this 5. It will be 2. Then next one is how many doctors and vegetarians are there? So he may
Sir,
give
two.
and or he may not give and. It will be and only.
2 plus 5, sir.
Yeah, common numbers for doctors and vegetarians it is yeah, 2 plus 5, correct. Next is how many doctors are shortcut is
Sir, 3 sir. 3 sir.
what is the shortcut point? Or
R.
don't forget forget these 3 points. These 3 points are main.
Sir, the
And means
union.
only common numbers. Or means all the numbers once. Either or means A without B and B without A. So or means all the numbers once. So here we have to take all the numbers which are there in doctors as well as vegetarians. Let us do one thing. First we will write all the doctor numbers. Tell all the doctor numbers.
6, 2, 5, and 3.
2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. Now
Yes.
excluding the common numbers, tell the remaining numbers in vegetarians.
1
1 and 7.
Plus
And
1
7.
plus 7. That's all. That's the answer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can write vegetarians first and the remaining numbers in doctors. Okay.
Sir, or means union, right?
Yeah, or means union. Next, 7th question. How many either doctors or vegetarians are there? So either or means first take all doctors without vegetarians, then take vegetarians without doctors. Tell me doctors without vegetarians are?
6. 6.
9. 6 plus 3, 9.
Very
6
good.
plus
6 plus 3 also. Doctors just without vegetarians. I am not mentioned anything about Indians. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is 6 plus 3. Next, tell me vegetarians without doctors.
1, 7, and
1.
4.
1, 7.
Yeah, 1
8.
plus 7. 1 plus 7. That's the answer. And you may
What
What are the
compare.
questions? Either doctor or
Acha,
vegetarian, right?
Here the question is either or.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, either or nothing but doctor without vegetarian and without vegetarian without doctor. And if you compare these 3 questions, so from 6, if you subtract 5, it will be 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next Eighth question is how many neither doctors, neither Indians nor doctors. Either or is okay, sir. What about neither nor?
Then none of the above criteria.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one sir.
None of these two. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Only one.
Neither Indians nor doctors means so
Only one.
the person should not be belong to Indian and doctors. That nothing
Only
but
one.
So one, sir.
the same question can be written as only
Vegetarians.
only
vegetarian.
vegetarian and neither Indians nor doctors, both are same. That is nothing but one.
One.
Next question is how many doctors or Indians or vegetarians means all the three, all the numbers in all the three circles, all the three diagrams,
Oh,
but
yes,
only
sir.
once only. Tell me all the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus
3 plus
4,
5,
5,
4
5
plus
plus
6,
7.
7.
7, because there are 7 numbers I have taken. In the exam he may take the common numbers also, like here 6, so there will be another 6 like this. Okay, don't confuse with the same numbers.
Yes, sir.
So for our clarity purpose I have taken all the different numbers here. Next last question for this exercise. Who are doctors who are Indians but not vegetarians? So means first of all we have to take the common numbers for these two. What are the common numbers for doctors and Indians?
3. 3. 3.
3, sir.
3.
Common numbers for doctors and Indians is 3
3
plus
plus
5.
5.
5 plus
3 plus 5
But not means cancel 5. It will be only
5. 3.
we have to cancel 5 because not
Okay, sir.
negative.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. 3.
Take all positive, then eliminate negative. Okay. So in the previous question, he had given the diagram and asked about the questions. But in this case, he had just given the information, and we have to draw the diagram first, and we have to take off all the numbers, and later we have to answer the questions. Okay. Are you ready to draw the diagram for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first tell me the group of persons watching films, watching TV, and play chess. What can be the diagram for these 3 categories?
So like all the 3 intersecting each other.
Yes, very good. And there is a group of persons. That's why I'm taking this one also. Okay, how many are there? Okay, not mentioned about. And here he had given in terms of percentage. Where to start?
Of person.
One second, I'll write the names also for this. This is watching films, this is watching TV, and this is playing chess. Where to write this 30%?
Sir, in the watch film.
This one is 30%.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Anybody tell me? This is 30%. Correct or not?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
not correct.
Not correct. Why?
Sir, because out of the 30%, isn't it like 20% watch both films and TV?
30% watch.
So is it 10% purely for films? I'm thinking.
Yes, very good. So see here, this is not this segment. Only 30%. One second. This is not the 30% segment. He had given total. Yeah, total film watching films is of 30%. Next, watching TV, 60%. And means this total circle is of 30%, not only this region, not only this region. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Next is chess is 30%. Play chess. And next point is 20% watch. I think it is better to come with this point. Yes or no? 10% have all the 3. So where is the 10%?
In between.
In the middle, in the between, among all the 3. Intersection part of all the 3. And go to the next. 15% play chess and films. So chess and films is of how much percent? 15%. Chess and films.
Sir, so in that sector, it would be 15 and 15.
Okay, 1 second. Here the point is chess and films. Okay, is it the region chess and films?
Yes, sir.
And this total is of 15%, but 10% is already written. What about this segment?
So 5%.
5% is enough. Next, before that number is 15%. 15% TV and chess. So TV and chess, is it
So it's the
is it the
same
region or not?
5%.
So
Yeah,
five.
in that 10% is already written. What about remaining? Just
5%.
5%. And one more is before that number 20%. 20% watch both films and TV. So this
So
is
that
of
is
films and
10%.
TV part.
10%.
And that, yeah, 10% is already written. Remaining 10% I'm writing here.
So generally they give the diagram, right?
No, sometimes he may give or sometimes he may give the information like this.
Okay, sir.
It is not mandatory to give the diagram.
That time of
Yeah, we'll complete this one. After drawing the diagram, it is not that much problem. We'll make it fast. See, in film circle, this complete circle is of 30%. In that 30%, already how much is covered?
25.
5 plus 10 plus 10. Yes or no?
25. Yes, sir.
And what about remaining? Just 5% in this segment.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, understood.
TV total is of 60%, but how much percent is already covered?
25.
And the remaining is 35%.
Yes,
In this chess, already how much percent is over?
30.
20, and the remaining is
20.
10%. So do one thing, add all the numbers inside the circles. Add all the numbers inside the circles.
So
Add
this
all.
10, 5, 35 we have to add.
Total 5, 5, 10, another 10, 5, 35, and 10. Add all the numbers.
Yes,
How
sir,
much
100%
percentage
is coming. So it's correct.
Sorry?
The 100% is there, so it's correct.
No. It should not be 100%. Add all the numbers. So 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 35 plus 10. There are 3 tens.
45%.
No. What you are adding? First films is 5 plus 10 plus
Sir,
5 plus
80%.
10.
80%.
This is films plus TV is 35 plus 5.
So
Another.
I'm getting 80%.
Yes, very good. So total, if you add all these numbers, it is 80.
So down also there's a 10% there, right?
Adding 10 also. This is 10 only.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, if you add all the numbers, it is of 80%. Means, can I say, out of 100% people, 80% are having at least one hobby. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means, what about remaining 20%?
They don't have any of these.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they don't have any of these three hobbies. So they should be in this empty space. That is of 20% here. Okay, here I'm using n. N means none of them. None of them is of 20%.
20% is equal to 100.
Yes, very good. So he had given that point. If none of them is 100 members, so we got already in terms of percentage. That same percentage is given in terms of number. So none of them is of 20%, and the same 20% is equivalent to 100 members. Now, can I say 20% is 100 members means 1% will be? Tell me. Cancellation, 20 cancellation, 21 time 20,
5 times.
5 times. So we can say 1% consists of 5 persons. 1% of region consists of five members. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. We are
Yes,
there.
Okay,
Yes,
then.
sir.
All right. Okay, see the first question. How many persons have only one hobby? Only one hobby, but he has not mentioned what is that hobby. So here we have to take all the three, I think. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Only films is,
Sir, 5% plus 35%.
only TV is 35. Only chess is 10. Total percentage is
50.
50%. If 1% is 5, 50% will be
250.
250. That's the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question. How many persons are there in that colony? So how many persons are there in that colony means we have to add all the numbers. Yes or no?
80%.
Sir, instead of that, can we multiply into 100?
Yes, very good. So no need to add all the numbers because how many persons are there in the colony means 100% of the people are there in that colony.
Yes.
1% is 5 means 100% will be
500.
500. So there are 500 people in that colony. Okay, 100%. Next, how many persons watching only films? Only films is of how much percent?
5%.
Yeah, only films is of 5%. So that 5% is equivalent to how many? 1% is 5. 5%?
25.
25. Next question. How many persons have at most one hobby? At most is the minimum limit or maximum limit?
Maximum.
Maximum rate.
So maximum there should be
One hobby.
one hobby. What about minimum?
One hobby plus no hobby.
Yes, very good. So here I'm writing at most one. At most one is the same as nothing but that is less than or equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Maximum it should be 1, but it should not exceed 1. So for this we can say it is 0 plus 1. That's all. So no hobby is of how much percent?
20%.
20%. One hobby is of how much percent?
Sir, we can directly write the values, right? 100 plus 250.
We are writing the we are calculating the percentages first. At last we can write the number directly.
Okay, sir.
1%. Sorry, one hobby is of how much percent? We have already
50%.
calculated here.
50%, sir.
50%. Total how much percent?
70%.
70%.
70%. 1% is 5. 70% will be
350.
350. That's the answer. So here we are directly adding the numbers. Sorry, percentages. Can we do that? Can you add percentages directly?
No, sir.
Yeah, we can do the percentage. We can add the percentages directly because all the percentages are taken on only one number, that is 500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we can add. And last question for this session. Tell me, how many persons have at least 2 hobbies? At least is the minimum limit or maximum limit?
Minimum.
Minimum rate.
So at least how many hobbies should be there?
2.
2. At most means maximum. Other than that,
1.
minimum is
5.
So it can be, it should be greater than or equal to 2. At least 2, nothing but greater than or equal to 2. It should not be below 2. Up to 2 is okay. Yes or no? Means it is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus up to infinite. We can take any number. But here, those many numbers are not possible here. There are 3 hobbies only maximum. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
means 2 plus 3 we should consider. That's all. How many are having only 2 hobbies? Only 2 hobbies. Region. This 5 plus 5 plus 10. 5 plus 5 plus 10 is
20.
20. And all the 3 hobbies is
25.
100.
10. All the 3 hobbies, 10. Common part.
10.
Yes, sir.
10.
So see here
Yes,
I'm
sir.
drawing the diagram.
Sir, sir, it should be 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10, right? Oh, yes.
Yeah, this is the region.
You have not included the middle one, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
20 plus 10 total, how much percentage is required?
30.
30%. 1% is 5. 30% will
30
be
into 5.
150.
150. So answer is 150. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, right. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
So
Bye.
could you once explain like how
Thank
you
you,
got the
sir.
population part?